Ready? Using our Celluclay. Celluclay is shredded paper and glue. While it's non-toxic and safe for us to touch, do not eat it or get it anywhere near your eyes. The materials we're going to use are our red cup full of Celluclay, a plastic gallon-sized Ziploc bag, and a cup of water, a styrofoam cup smaller than our red cup. Our Celluclay to water ratio is about 2-to-1. This means however much Celluclay we use, we need about half the amount of water. Step 1 is going to be pour that Celluclay into our Ziploc bag. Once you've done that, go ahead and pour your styrofoam water into the bag and just give it a little mix while the bag's still open. Make sure the water's evenly dispersed. And then step 3, we are going to seal the bag and mix. We want to mix around this bag, knead it like it's bread. We're going to do that for about 10 to 15 minutes. During the mixture process, we can gauge if we need more water or more Celluclay to our mixture. Once it's nice and mixed, we're going to open that bag, and then we'll take our Celluclay and flatten it between our hands, kind of like a pancake, and mold it to our armature. How you do this is up to you, but we want to make sure that we're flattening it thin enough so that it dries appropriately. So like this, a nice little flat piece of Celluclay, and we'll stick it to our armature. Since Celluclay is super sticky, we want to go ahead and dip our fingers in water to smooth out the sculpture. You can use your fingers dipped in water to smooth out layers and get it even around your armature. Do not put Celluclay on the bottom of your sculpture. Celluclay cannot go down the drain. Follow the bucket numbers for hand washing instructions. Each time you dip your hands into a bucket, try to get as much clay off as you can. There should be no Celluclay left on your hands when you wash them in the sink with soap and water. Put your Celluclay sculpture in a safe place to dry and make sure your table is wiped off.